The purpose of this video is to demonstrate that the energy formula E equals mgh does in fact match experimental results. A lot of dropping tests will be shown in this video, so bear with me. Timestamps will be provided. Actually, let me first show you the results. Afterwards, I will show you all the slow motion footage. So E equals mgh predicts that a 1 mass dropped from 3 times the height will produce the same spring compression as a 3 mass dropped from 1 height. And as we can see, they are almost perfectly the same. E equals mgh also predicts that a 1 mass 4 height is the same as a 4 mass 1 height and is also the same as a 2 mass 2 height. And as we can see, there is only 1 millimeter difference at best. A 1 mass 6 heights should be the same as a 2 mass 3 height and should also be the same as a 3 mass 2 height. And yes, they are almost perfectly identical. A 1 mass 8 height should be the same as a 2 mass 4 height and should be the same as a 4 mass 2 height. Again, there is only 1 millimeter difference at best. A 1 mass 9 height should be the same as a 3 mass 3 height. And yes, almost perfectly identical. A 1 mass 10 height should be the same as a 2 mass 5 height. And yes, once again, almost perfectly identical. A 1 mass 12 heights should be the same as a 2 mass 6 height and should be the same as a 4 mass 3 height. Again, only 1 millimeter in difference. A 1 mass 16 height should be the same as a 2 mass 8 height and should be the same as a 4 mass 4 height. There is a maximum difference of 1.05 millimeters. And now the long and boring slow motion footage of all the different masses and dropping heights. All right, let's now analyze the velocities. I tried to use the tracker software, but it failed to automatically track the ball. And tracking it manually is insane since there are a gigantic amount of frames per second. Instead, I will make sure the ball is aligned with the 7 centimeter mark. I will also show you the timestamp at that moment. Then we will calculate how much time it takes to travel 1 centimeter. So here is the 2 mass dropped from 1 height. The time difference is 251 milliseconds. Here is the 3 mass 1 height. The time difference is 254 milliseconds. Here is the 4 mass 1 height. The time difference is 248 milliseconds. Great. This means that all the masses almost had identical velocities being dropped from 1 height. So this indicates that the friction from the bar doesn't affect the free fall. Let's now look at the masses being dropped from 4 times the height. Normally, they should travel twice as fast. Here is the 1 mass 4 height. The time difference is 118 milliseconds. Here is the 2 mass 4 height. The time difference is 120 milliseconds. Here is the 4 mass 4 height. The time difference is 121 milliseconds. Alright, so the average time difference of the 1 height was 251 milliseconds, and the average time difference of the 4 height is 119.6. Divide these numbers and you get 2.09 times faster. So it's a little bit faster than twice as fast, etc., etc. I did the same for the 1 mass 9 height, which should be 3 times faster, but it actually went 3.5 times faster. And for the 1 mass 16 height, it should go 4 times faster, and it went 4.1 times faster, so pretty close. Conclusion. I think we have enough examples that shows that E equals mgh does work out just fine. I could probably elaborate more with theory and equations, but for now, I'm getting exhausted with all the editing work. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.